Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the WorkSharp Guided system. It's a knife sharpening system, made like sharpening stones, but WorkSharp made it a little bit more advanced because the stone can move a little. There are two stones, a coarse and a fine, and we will of course start with the coarse stone. The system is guided, and that means that we have the options to decide how we want to sharpen our knife, in what degree or angle, and this is a guide to keep it in this angle while moving the blade down the stone. As every system, this requires a little bit of practice, but it's actually fairly easy to use. We place a knife and then we just take like 10 strokes, not too hard, and just follow the guiding angle. And yes, this does make some sounds when it's sharp and just been used. Normally I'll believe that the fine stone would be good enough. I have actually created a little bit of burr now, so now we just put it on the other side. The genius of this moving is that when you're sharpening, you also sharp out here on the belly of the knife. When I use normal stones, it happens that I don't get out there, and this is really genius. And again, I'm just gonna give it like 10 strokes, and now we got a good edge on the knife. So I'm gonna remove. This is it's on with magnets. And now I'm gonna take the fine stone. And this time I'm only gonna do like 7. This is actually the second time this has happened to me. Not happened, that I'm trying this. And now the edge is not as coarse as it was before. This is actually pretty sharp already. But I'm gonna remove this part, and then this one comes with it too. It's a ceramic rod. I'm gonna put that in, and then there's a lock down here, so it keeps in place, it stays in place. And I'm just gonna give like 5 strokes all the way down the blade. And again, keep the angle. Yeah, this knife is sharp now, way sharper than before I've done. I'm just gonna do a small test on a normal piece of paper. I would say this is nice. When I sharpen my knives, I always use a piece of leather in the end. This is a piece of leather with a jeweler's rouge on it, and I always just give it like 10 or 15. I try to keep the knife in the same angle and then just get all the way out to the tip. and in the other direction. And now I do believe that I will be able to cut the hairs off my arm. Yeah, this is shaving now. This is the WorkSharp Guided system, and in all fairness, I have to say that WorkSharp actually sent me this system free of charge, and I'm actually, now I have made the review, gonna give it away for free. I have a Facebook page called Trivial Knives. I will make a post in there where you can write "I'm in", and in a week or so I will draw who's gonna win this sharpening system, this awesome WorkSharp cap, and a few WorkSharp stickers. So visit my homepage, not my homepage, my Facebook page, and write "I'm in" the giveaway post, and I will draw. If you go down in this corner, you will see a logo now where you can subscribe to this channel, and up in this corner you can see how I use a Lansky system to sharpen my knives. Take care. Bye.